This video was made using iPhone 3GS. I am David from iPhonetrip.com, and this time I will show you how to migrate all your data from one iPhone to another. Here I have two iPhones. The first one is my iPhone, and the second one is rented iPhone. So, I want to move all my data, including settings, contacts, photos, applications, music, everything, from my iPhone to rented iPhone. And I want to do it fast and simple. So, we do it in 4 easy steps. Step number 1, I connect my iPhone to iTunes. I use iTunes version 8. And now it should show up under Devices section in iTunes. Now I can see my iPhone name, and then I right click on it and I choose Backup option. Backup will take several seconds. Backing up my iPhone. Okay, now backup is done, and I just disconnect my iPhone from iTunes. Now step number 2, we connect rented iPhone to iTunes. Now let's go to iTunes, and I see, okay, let's press register later here at welcome screen. This iPhone is still not registered. And then I go to Devices section and I right click on rented iPhone, and then I choose Restore from Backup. Now I'm presented with several backups, and I choose the last backup I did, not the rented iPhone, my iPhone backup. My iPhone backup is the last we did, and then I choose Restore button. Now Restore is in progress. It will take 1-2 minutes to restore. Okay, Restore is done, and now let's go to step 3. Let's go to iTunes. Here once again press Register later. And now go to Devices section, and then we can see that all data and all settings are restored, and even name of this iPhone is my iPhone. So I have to change this name to its original name, rented iPhone. This way iTunes will back it up under its original name, and it will not mix up with my old iPhone backups. Okay, now let's go to step 4. I have to synchronize all content from my iTunes library, including applications, music, everything, to my new rented iPhone. So I go to Summary in iTunes, and I make sure that I check Sync Only, check Song and Videos. This is how I synchronize. Press OK here. And now I just press Apply button, and synchronization process begins. After synchronization is done, you have all your data on your rented iPhone. Use iPhonetrip.com rented iPhones with unlimited data to try